My name is Seamus Sam. I'm the head chef here at Muse restaurant in Belgravia. And the first dish I'm going to show you is Jerusalem Artichoke tart with bitter leaves salad and a clementine dressing. So yeah, this dish has been on since November, the start of November. And it's the first dish you receive on our tasting menu just after the snacks. So the first thing I'm going to show you is the terrine, almost like the dauphinoise. We infuse a cream with parmesan, kombu, thyme and bay. We then pour that on top of the potatoes and Jerusalem artichokes with a little bit of potato starch added to that as well, just to help bind it. That gets baked in the oven for around 45 minutes. And then we press it overnight. And then after that, we'll portion it into the individual portions. After that, I'm going to show you the confit carrots, or the slow semi-dehydrated carrots. We basically cook the baby carrots in carrot juice, sauternes, thyme in the water bath for around 15 minutes. And then after that, I'll reduce that carrot juice and sauternes down and glaze the baby carrots in that. And then they get dehydrated for around 4 to 6 hours, so they like shrink to like really intensify the flavor. So also the clementine dressing, which involves brunoise of clementine pith, the zest, which we just blanch lightly. And then that's mixed with reduced clementine juice, Chardonnay vinegar, and a little bit of olive oil as well. So first we're going to build the tart itself. So we have a piece of caramelized puff pastry. We're going to put the terrine on top of that. That will then go on the plate. We're going to dress that with dots of caramelized Jerusalem artichoke puree, as well as pickled Jerusalem artichokes, and some little picked thyme leaves. And then we'll dress the salad with the clementine dressing, and then that will literally just be placed on the side next to the tart itself. There we have the Jerusalem artichoke tart with bitter leaves and a clementine dressing.